Hello everybody, today we're going to be looking at this very nice brand new standard 250 watt metal halide conversion slash retrofit bulb part 1. Now there is going to be a second part of this bulb, but it's going to be in a separate video and it's going to be operated on a different fixture that I have in my collection. But anyways, this particular bulb here was bought off eBay for $15. So that was really nice and cheap, if I am allowed to say that. But anyways, let's not waste any more time, and we might as well look at the etch real quick, also known as the information about this conversion slash retrofit metal halide lamp. So anyways, we have our company name right here. It's obviously a standard. I like how they have like a little triangle for the letter A, and I think that's really cool if I'm allowed to say that. So there's the company name right there. It's a standard like I just said. Under it is the phone number of the company. Under it is the bulb description. And this one is a little complicated, but at least I can tell you what each thing means. So it's obviously a standard metal halide according to the symbol MH. If it was an MS, it would be a super metal halide, meaning more light output. So we have our watts right there. It's a 250 watt. MH 250 watt slash U, universal burn position. And the LU kind of surprised me. So as you can see, the LU meaning lux, meaning that this bulb can also run on high pressure sodium ballasts of 250 watts with the igniter included. So anyways, I'm going to show you another lamp that has the symbol LU, but it's actually going to be on a high pressure sodium lamp instead of this one that is in front of my camera. So anyways, this old bulb here is made by Lumen, and as you can see, the etch says it's an LU lamp. So that means this is a high pressure sodium lamp. And yep, it says LU right there. So it also says it on this metal halide retrofit conversion lamp, meaning that this bulb can run both on the M58 and S50. So anyway, there's that, MH250 watt slash U slash LU. The STD is the company name, of course, standard. On our bottom, we have our letter R, meaning that this bulb will emit ultraviolet radiation if it punctures, breaks, or shatters. And of course, this bulb here contains krypton. And here is our mercury symbol as usual. And on the far right, on the bottom, is our ballast type. It's actually the S50. And that is actually the 250 watt high pressure sodium. So this bulb can run both on the M58 and S50. But this video, I'm going to be running this bulb on the M58 ballast instead of the S50. The part 2 will be running on the S50 ballast. So that'll be in a separate video. So anyways, now that we're done with the etch, I might as well show you the construction of this bulb. So we first have our base right here, which is a very nice hard aluminum base with a a rough ceramic insulator. So this is actually a brand new bulb, believe it or not. So it has a very shiny base. So as you can see the stem right here. There's no glue. They just torque the base onto the bulb. When it's made in a factory, you can see our wires here. This one here is actually supporting the assembly of the lamp. You can see there's actually a probe start resistor, and that is because this bulb can operate both on the M58 and S50, even though the arc tube on this bulb is a little smaller than a standard 250 watt metal halide that only runs on the M58. I'm going to bring another bulb over here to show you the comparison between the two arc tubes. So here's a Philips 250 watt standard metal halide lamp that runs on the M58 ballast. You can see the arc tube on this one is a little longer than this one. So really interesting. So there you go. There's a little comparison right there. You can see this one has a brass base instead. I have made a video of this type of bulb about a year ago, so I don't need to make a video of this bulb again since it's made by the same brand, which is a Philips. So I'm going to put that to the side. So that's that. I just wanted to show you a little arc tube comparison. So you can see the probe start resistor right here and our probe circuit right there. And I can show you the probe circuit inside the arc tube. You can see it clearly down there behind that coating of ceramic on the bottom end. You can see 2 electrodes in the arc tube. That tells me it's probe start as well, and it can also be pulse start because it runs on high pressure sodium lamps, or ballasts I should say. You can see 2 metal straps supporting the arc tube. And I don't know why, this kind of aggravated me when I got this lamp. So you can see that there is no ceramic or quartz tube supporting this lead wire. So therefore, this wire can actually melt unless if this bulb is vacuumed or with like a gas that can withstand like a lot of heat from the arc tube. And of course we have our dimple right here, and it's actually quite big. Look at this. So that's the dimple. You can see that it's for like an elongated dimple 37 bulb. But this is an ED28. So that's really large. So anyways, I believe that's that for the construction. I might as well give you some specifications about the bulb, and then I'll turn it on with the M58 ballast. So this particular conversion retrofit metal halide bulb here produces around 21,000 lumens. So it's like a standard, like a regular metal halide lamp, just running on the M58 ballast. So very nice light output right there. Color temperature is 4,000 Kelvin or cool white. And the CRI is 65. I'm not going to put that in the description. And the lifetime on the bulb is 10,000 hours, which is a good amount of time. And this bulb can be used with both metal halide and high pressure sodium ballasts that are of 250 watts. So that's nice. So that's a little bonus there. So anyways, of course this bulb isn't dimmable since this is an arc lamp. So anyways, I believe that's that. So anyways, let's go ahead and give this bulb a shot, and we'll see how it starts up, and hopefully there won't be any issues with the arc tube whatsoever if I run it on the M58 ballast. And this is the first part of this video. The second part is going to be running on the S50 ballast like it recommends to run on. So I'm going to screw it in. And this bulb has never been turned on before, so this is actually a brand new lamp, so it might have a delay when it starts. So, like I said, hopefully there won't be any issues, and I already turned off my light in the room so we can get a better view of the lamp turning on. So anyway, I think the bulb is going to be starting by itself, since possibly the guy who actually sold this lamp probably tested it before they, shipped it out here. So anyway, enough of me talking. Let's turn on this retrofit conversion lamp. Here we go. So the conversion retrofit bulb is now at full brightness, and yeah, it's actually very nice and bright in here. So anyways, like I said in my last lighting video, the color temperature decreases if the halide salts condense on the arc tube. So it's doing that a little bit, so it's actually like kind of like 3700K now. But as you can see, the bulb lights up this room quite nicely and very nice, cool white. So Anyways, there's going to be a second part of this bulb, but it's going to be in a separate video, and it's going to be operated on a different fixture. So anyways, as always, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And thank you all very much for watching.